Hi! For today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to combine videos on Instagram Reels. So with no further ado, let's start. So first, make sure your Instagram application is updated. If it's not yet updated, then go to your Play Store and update it. Next, open your Instagram application, which I have already opened right here. Then tap the Reels video icon on the bottom. Then, tap the camera icon. So here, upload your first video. Here, you can trim your video. Then, tap Add. So just wait for your video to process. So, upload second video. Here, you can trim your video again. So just wait for your video to process. You can add more videos, but here, I'll just combine 2 videos. Then, if you want to see your combined videos, just tap the preview, and you can post it. And that's how you combine videos on Instagram Reels. And now we are done with our tutorial. Let us know in the comment section down below if this video helped you. For more video tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching!